It's easy to think of the mind as unknowable and hidden from view, and that's partially true. When we remember a number, researchers don't see mental gears turning. It all happens in the jelly of our minds. The same is true in particle physics. We can't see how protons behave. In seismology, we can't see what's under the surface. In climate science, we can't see the invisible forces shaping the atmosphere. Yet, scientists have made amazing achievements across all of these fields, and they share something in common: computer programs that model reality. You don't have to build 1,000 airplane wings to test different designs. A computer model can do it overnight. The same idea applies to the mind. You don't have to see inside or observe processes in real time. We can build computational models that reflect what is currently known and build out from there. Imagine building a model that is designed to measure recall. Here, we program the computer to match human recall, and then give the computer and humans the same set of words. If their recall matches, the model is calibrated. The programming reliably mimics human recall. Once calibrated, the model can be pushed into new territory. For example, does familiarity matter? To test it, we give the model and humans two sets of words, familiar and unfamiliar, and then measure recall. Most experiments don't produce useful results. But if the model recalls the words in the same pattern as humans, it's good news. It's reflecting a human response and is one step closer to being useful and ready for more testing. Repeating these experiments thousands of times produces a model that can turn a variety of variables into accurate predictions on how human memory works. When a model is shown to be reliable at those predictions, it becomes a validated resource and much more useful. Imagine an app maker who wants to know exactly when to remind users to re-engage. They don't need a full study. They can use a validated model that's programmed to use the memory degradation curve to predict the best timing for app users. These models make mental processes visible and testable. This is real science with hypotheses, calculations, and proofs that stand the test of time. The key is that the models are written in code that can be read and understood by humans. That code is foundational to cognitive science and artificial intelligence. So, the study of the mind can be scientific in the same way other sciences are. They all build models of reality that allow for trustworthy experiments and testing that continues today. Learn more at scienceofexplanation.com.